Hi everyone. I thought I'd show you the sedge garden we did. This is the beginning of the fourth year. So it's Carex bromoides. You can see bromoides right here in the flower. We have Carex bromoides, we have Carex mosquitomensis, we have Carex albicans in here, and Carex pennsylvanica. And you can see the sedges are really getting hard. Bromoides is doing well. It's a moist woodland area, more moist. There's some dry areas. And you can see how big the bromoides clumps are getting. They're filling in nicely. And we've added probably a couple of hundred ferns to this last year. And daffodils, we put the daffodils in last fall. We added just a few more. We keep enhancing the area based on budget. So we keep budgeting, and daffodils are looking good. Tete-a-tete, there's tete-a-tete right here. Through here, and then I have Hackana-Chloe drifting through here, and then epimedium, groups of epimedium on the edges. So all in all, the gardens, the sedges are really filling in well. And they're getting established, and then we just keep enhancing with probably more ferns. We put additional ferns through here. And then we'll be putting in some other woodland plants. Wild geranium maculatum, we'll be adding that a couple of hundred, maybe next spring. So I thought you might like to see the garden, especially the sedges in action. I'm very proud of them. They've done well. And again, they were 2.5 inch containers. This is again the start of the fourth year. So it's looking good. Thanks everybody.